Welcome back, folks. This is episode 8 or round 8 of the design duel where Juna and I go head to head. This was Juna's kind of really cool idea. If you guys already know about this, you can fast forward till you see the wheel spinning. But if you don't know, we are going to spin this wheel here. We've got a list of subject matter for our designs. And then I've got another list here of the styles that I'll drop in here as well. So we've got a bunch of different aesthetics. So we're going to, pick a subject matter and then do it in a certain aesthetic. And then we're going to go to town and design side by side in Kittl here. I've got, Juna has his artboard here. I've got mine here. And then you guys get to pick the winners at the end of the day. So yeah, thanks so much for joining me again, Juna. This has been so much fun. I love that you just came up with this and then decided to include me. So thank you.
Oh, of course, man. You're the best. Thanks for doing this, by the way. I think the thing I like about this is we're both doing it from scratch and we're showing in real time like our styles of design and how kind of tips and tricks that we do in Kittl to create a t-shirt design. So you can see us in real time do this in under 25 minutes, hopefully, and come up with a good design. And you can do the same. Like you can do this too. If you
the whole point is that, you guys realize that anyone can do this. We are not, we're not magical unicorns here. Yes, we both have design background, but I mean, the way the tools have come so far, anybody can do this.
Kittl does a lot of heavy lifting, so.
And it's not like, a lot of YouTube videos out there, tutorials where people have recreated it 4 or 5 times until they're comfortable with it before they record it on YouTube.
Right.
Put it out there for you to see. We are doing this.
This is live.
This is live, right?
No tricks. No edits.
We suck. Yeah. All right. Good to go, sir?
Yes, I am.
All right. So let's see for the aesthetics here. Halloween.
Oh, appropriate.
Yep. All right. So remove Halloween and then
Halloween in a non-Halloween style, possibly.
I feel like we shouldn't delete any of these because
yeah, that's true.
Right? The aesthetic could be for anything.
That's true.
Interesting. Vintage Western Halloween.
I got some ideas. I got some.
Yep. I got some juices spinning already. So whenever you're ready, we'll get into this here.
Okay, I got the timer. Let me pull it up. See that? 25 minutes. We're good with 25?
Yep.
Okay. And go. Da-da-da-da. Here we go. I'm going into templates first and see what we got for Halloween.
I am...
Oh, t-shirts, Halloween t-shirts. Vintage Halloween. Vintage illustration Halloween, is that what it was?
Vintage Western.
Western's the part. All right, I don't see any vintage Western Halloween, but there could be Western t-shirts, and then I'll just make a Halloween theme. Yeah, that's right. Okay.
I am just giving myself a little bit of a list here. And the nice thing with Kittl versus like something like Canva is that you can move stuff off your artboard. And on Canva, if you move it off your artboard, for example, you can't see it. It disappears.
Yeah. And you don't have that much space. Like with Kittl, you can like zoom out and put multiple stuff on here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like what you're saying.
Yeah. I can zoom out and just have like a smorgasbord of whatever.
It's basically an infinite canvas is what works, and that is nice. Ooh, this is a cool one. Okay, so the things that I like to do is, one of my tips is I like to get like maybe 3 or 4 templates. Why am I moving the whole thing? Come on, dude. And then I move it around and kind of figure out which one I like the best. So yeah, so you can see I have 2 now. I'm going to look for some more templates. I did Western. All right. Looking for another one. I'm going Western first, and then I'll add the Halloween things later, either skeletons or ghosts or witches or something.
And I'm going to go kind of cutesy, I think. Cutesy vintage Western Halloween here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so ours is
along the line of some stuff I've seen trending, I think. So.
Oh, smart. You've been seeing these already. I'm going to go off of...
I'm going to ask the sidebar chat here. So it's really cool that we can just use the chat right in here too. So you don't have to go into a different app or a chat GPT or anything like that, right?
Absolutely.
So I'm just going to say, give me some phrases. Say punny or funny?
I'm doing Kittl AI and seeing if they have any Western ghosts, or I should do Western skeleton as well. Not very many, but I bet AI could make me some. Okay, I'm gonna go create. You know, they just added Flux Schnell, and it's free now. No, I mean no credits. You don't need any credits. So Nano Banana is now has credits, but Flux Schnell is the new one that zero credits, so you can try it out.
Yeah, and by the time you guys see this, they just said that I got an email this morning or yesterday that they are adding 10 million credits and it's going to be free, I think, as of November 1st,
For
maybe?
Q4, is that what they're trying to
Yeah,
help us
for
out in
you
Q4?
can
That's
use
nice.
and you can use them for any of the AIs in here is going to be absolutely free until the 10 million credits has been burned through.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
10 million. Okay, that's our goal now. Try and use all 10 million credits before the end of the year, before they're
Well,
gone.
I think it'll go surprisingly quick with like millions of people out there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I like this one right here. Look at that.
You got one?
A phrase. It's gonna work
Ooh.
great. Boot, boot, scootin' boogie, but it's Boogie.
Oh, nice. I didn't even come up with my phrase yet. I'm just trying to get the art first. I usually do art first, then phrase, but having a phrase first actually helps with the art too. So
Yeah, I like doing phrase first because then I can kind of,
picture what that's supposed to, the art that matches the phrase.
yeah, a lot of the
Yeah.
time, right? And a lot of the
Yeah.
time, I think people put too much emphasis on creating like the imagery and then they try to fit the text wherever it works. But then if it's like a wordy phrase, maybe 5 or 6 words, then, you almost have to go lay out the text first so that it makes sense and then add
That's
the
true.
imagery. But when you only have a couple of words, I mean, it's pretty easy to do, I think.
Gonna look for some styles that I want here.
That's what I'm gonna do here.
Actually, I know what I'm gonna do. I got this cute ghost maybe.
That's exactly what I'm doing.
All right. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to look for some ghost art that they already have, but then I'm gonna use the chat to update it, hopefully. Gosh, how are we doing on time?
Oh, good.
19 minutes. Woo! Burned through that so fast.
It's vintage Western, so those aren't gonna work.
Oh, you got some good ones already. Vintage Western, vintage Western.
Yeah, they don't look vintage.
All right, I got this ghost. All right, let's see if I can do something with this guy.
Oh man, just found it says boots
Oh,
spooky. Wow. Just found a
dude,
Western ghost. That's funny.
dude, that was fast.
So this is kind of what I was hoping for as a cowboy hat on a ghost, but we're gonna make our own here because this has a weird horn coming out of it. It's just a bad AI generation.
Yeah.
But I like the inspiration for putting the words on the top and bottom. I wasn't going to do that. I don't normally do that actually.
All right, let's see what this does. Western, vintage Western. I really like this text here. Although it is Halloween, I wonder if I should do one on a black.
Thought about doing that, but I feel like I need to step outside of my comfort zone. I always do black.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna stick with my off-white here and see how it goes. I'm gonna make the ghost wearing a cowboy hat and boots, and we'll see how that goes. That's funny.
background. I love that they have remove background. It makes it so easy. All right, get rid of some things here. This could work in my color.
No idea if it's gonna be able to do what I just asked it, but I said make the ghost look like it's line dancing. So I don't know how you can
Oh, fun.
other than just dancing, but I'm not even sure what I'm asking it or hoping for right now. Oh my gosh, this looks great.
What do you? Oh, you got a dancing one? Yeah, yeah.
Wow, that's
Hey,
cool.
that worked out for you. Lucky. I don't know if that's any. I don't think that's any better. Western background, vintage Western background. I don't know.
This looks vintage. Maybe even go a little bit more vintage.
I want some Western mountains or something. Oh, that's a cool one. I think I'm gonna go back to Western templates. See what I can find. Yeah.
I don't know what's happening here. Failed to generate, so I'm gonna refresh. Sometimes
Yeah. Sometimes you gotta refresh.
nice that it doesn't delete anything though. Just put you
No, you're right. I gotta put a background in here somewhere. I like your ghost, man.
Totally not working right now.
Oh, hello.
Oh, you can hear that now?
Yeah,
Oh, weird.
that's awesome. Congrats.
Thanks. Yeah, I didn't like that. So we're gonna generate you again. Vintage aesthetic.
All right, I need a phrase and a background, and I got 11 minutes. Oh, we got time.
11 minutes. I'm actually feeling like I'm not rushed right now. This is cool.
That's good. It's all good. All right. I'm thinking I'm gonna use our pal Kittl Flows.
It's so handy.
It is handy. Um,
So I'm going to actually convert to image now.
this could work. All right, I got to come up with a phrase for these ghosts. I'm gonna use that chat thing that you used. I like this Western. They have some really cool Western fonts, and they definitely have a lot of backgrounds.
Where are you? Oh yeah. I like those fonts too. Oh, that looks pretty cool and vintagey.
It's vintagey, yeah.
Otherwise, I am just going to, oh, giving me problems with the smartboard again. So it doesn't like it when I touch other parts.
Yeah.
So let it do
You
its
have to
thing.
just like let it go.
Don't love it. It's overdoing the font. This is not bad. Not a bad backup. Now, what are we doing for time here?
Oh, 7 minutes left. Good,
Okay, not
good
bad.
check. Oh, my kiddo smartboard didn't do it. The time constraint definitely makes me do something that I may not do. I'm like,
Yeah,
I'm like, if I had more time, I'd probably change the whole thing, but because of time, I am going to stick with this.
yeah, for sure.
Gosh, does this have a filter on it? I feel like it needs one. Oh, it does. Oh, but because of the white, I have the color burn. I'm gonna
Oh, I like that
off
font.
on the
That's way better.
mask.
Oh yeah, this is definitely a way.
No, just to get access to these fonts alone makes it worth it. Like, can you
Yeah.
imagine trying to buy all these fonts and playing with the fonts here? 244. Time check.
Oh boy, oh boy.
No rush. It's okay. No, I don't want that. Gosh, I kind of want to add more things, but
Looks like he's boot scooting to me. My artboard, I want to make you the off-white. That does it here. Yeah, I think we're good here. And then Boogie has to be bigger because it's the main,
yeah, yeah.
right?
I think you're right. I'm not seeing what you're doing, but it sounds right.
I just can't decide if I want this to the front or to the back.
Right. I don't know if this is
Front.
vintage Western. I might have not done a vintage Western, but it is what it is.
I am good with this, I think. I don't recall the last time. You know what? I might actually just create a smartboard.
All right, what you got? It's good.
I was just typing make this design look more vintage, but yeah, I'm good with this design here. I like where the boot splits. It was a hyphenated word. I like the boot
Dude,
right there.
they're perfect. How did you get it?
Oh,
That
look at that.
yes.
That looked great. It was
Yeah.
generating while yeah, it even has the crack in its hat right now.
Yeah, and the colors. They changed the colors to
And
be
the
more
colors.
vintage.
I would probably list both of these. I like this a lot. Oh, and I really like on this one, it added these shading lines to match
Oh
the font.
yes.
And on the
That's
boot,
right.
look at this, right? There's none
Man,
here.
Nano Banana did that. Nano.
Yeah, Nano Banana did that right inside of Kittl, which you guys can use. Oh, and it added a drop shadow on this too, which
I
is
know, it's
really cool.
crazy.
It looks so good. I was thinking of doing that, but I just didn't have time. And then
It knows.
this is
This is so
great. I'm
fun.
stoked with this.
Man, I bet this would have done really well for Halloween.
And
I
it's
mean,
got little random cracks in the letters. That's cool.
ghosts are popular. Like, it's almost like an evergreen now. Like, people love wearing ghosts. I've seen Ghost Valentines, Ghost Summer, Ghost
Yep.
like, so this could sell all year, possibly.
For
People
sure.
use Coot and Bookie
What
because
do we
it's
got over here?
I changed my font, but I'm like,
I liked it.
Hunting the Wild West has boots and freedom. I don't know. It's fun.
I like it. It is fun. I love these ghosts. Did you
Yeah.
generate them?
Yeah. Oh no, the chat did. Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, I
I
typed
love
in, I don't even know what I typed in. I said, oh, I had a specific ghost that I found that I liked. And I said, I want three ghosts in a line in this style dressed like cowboys, and it gave me that. So
That's awesome. I need to pull this over here. I think both of these are winners.
there we go. Oh, there we go. Good. So we can see both together.
Yeah.
There you go, guys. This is ours. Let
Sorry
me
about
know.
the purple line here. I just have it's from
Oh,
from
that's
the
just the
smartboard.
guides, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the smartboard guides. Yeah.
This looks so cool though, yours here. I like how it made the doily kind of, I don't know what you call that, the quilting edging
Yeah.
on the sheet. It looks
Yeah.
cool.
I found a ghost that had that, and I'm like, oh, this kind of looks Western vintage. It didn't have a cowboy hat or anything. It was drawn pretty cool, so I asked it to make it more. But it's cool that we both went ghosts, because I don't think it was ghosts, it was Western, right? Oh no, it was Halloween.
Halloween
We
and
both,
vintage Western. Yeah.
yeah. So we both went the ghost route, which was funny.
I was
Because
thinking Ghost with a Cowboy Hat immediately, and then I was like,
yeah,
what can I do? And then it gave me. See, even right here, my note to myself, I wrote Cowboy, Ghosts, or Zombies.
I
Right?
was gonna go cowboy ghosts or skeletons. So
Skeletons would be great too, doing for Boot Scoot and Boogie.
yeah, yeah,
It would still work, right?
yeah. You could have skeletons doing some kind of line dance thingy. Yeah, for
Nice.
sure.
Cool.
Very cool. This was a fun one.
This was a fun one, and I'm gonna list this now because it's the 21st. I'm gonna list this on
Oh
Amazon.
yeah,
See
this
if I
is the
can.
week. If you want to get Halloween sales, this is
Yeah,
the week. Well,
might
when you're
get like
watching this, when you're watching this, it'll probably be past Halloween, but for us, it's before Halloween. So
yeah, got about 10 days to go. So this is so much fun, Juna. Again, round eight, guys. Let us know down below if there's any other topics,
ready.
suggestions you want to add, and if you want to potentially join us on one of these.
Let's do it. We could have three people go at once. We could have two people go at once, and we comment. There's so many ways we can do this, but it's fun. It's a good creative exercise that I think everybody should do, regardless of how it turns out, because you kind of you learn as you go, and the added pressure of the time kind of makes you like, well, I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way, and so you kind of learn. And whether you use this or not to sell, and or whether it makes sales or not, I think the exercise of doing this is really valuable. So.
Yeah, and that's one thing I pride myself on, in my inner circle membership, for example, is teaching people how to, make designs that sell, but understanding why they
Yeah.
sell, right? So it's like,
Mhm.
but once you learn the why behind what makes things work, you can
Yeah.
apply it yourself. Like,
Yep.
yeah, it's just so you end up learning how the reason behind why a successful design or aesthetic out there is working and works repeatedly, right? And it's
Mhm.
not just like trying to copy. It's under it once you understand
Yeah.
it, you can add your own flair to it and take it to a next level. But
Yeah.
what you were saying with this, Juna, like I wouldn't have ever or I
Right.
haven't previously added the decoration to the font,
Hmm. Hmm.
and it forced me to do that this time to step out of my
Hmm.
comfort zone. And I was like, you know what, I'm going to go for it. And I think it turned
Hmm.
out great.
It did. It turned out great. It came out, man. It steps right on that. Like you can see the flow, right? How your eye would look at it, and the feet go right to the boogie, and it separated it perfectly. And so,
Yeah,
and what I like about this too is we're not like a lot of videos you see people like, oh, this is what's selling, so let's make this a version of it. Like we didn't do that,
right.
right? We did topic, style, and we went for it regardless of trying to copy somebody else. Like these are two original ideas as far as I can tell, and it's
Yeah, we
pretty
didn't
cool.
look at any other Etsy listings or Amazon
Yeah.
listings for reference, right? This is all
Yeah.
straight out of our head. So,
Hmm.
also, just so you guys know, Juna is in my membership
That's
on
right.
the alternating monthly basis with Philip. Phillips talks a lot about AI, and Juna does a lot of design work in there with everybody. So come check that out and say what's
Hmm.
up.
And if you haven't joined already, you can join and watch back ones, right? Like the ones that I've done before too. So
Yes, all the replays are there for
other replays. Yeah.
Thanks so much again, Juna. This was a great idea. I'm looking forward to round nine.
Round 9 coming up.
Take care, guys.
See you.